Hi to all, Z3 Dark here. So in today's video I'm gonna make a review of the Bluetooth 5.1 wireless headphones, and the brand is R7S TWS. So as you can see, the package was not being opened. It is sealed. The box is good. It hasn't been damaged. So let's see what we have in. We have scissors to open it. And here are our Bluetooth true wireless headsets. So we have fake one and they are true. So what we have in, let's open it. The box is, I don't know, it's not been damaged too much. And here we have, let's see what we have. So we have spare rubber for the ears, and we have user's manual. So always read the user's manual. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. So we have here micro USB for charging, and here you have user's manual. Always read it to know how to use it. So here you have how to pair it. Here you have what can you do if you double click the right earbud, then you go to next song, and if you double click the left earbud, then you go to previously song. 3 times you go volume up on the right, and 3 times on the left the volumes goes down. So that's basically what you need to know. But here you have a lot to read. And here you have the warranty card. So always read it. Let's see. So this is the charging unit. Here you have USB, type A, I think it's type A or B, I don't know. I think it's, let's say it's type A, okay. And here you have micro USB. So here you connect the USB. If it goes, and it goes a little hard, as you can see, but it goes in, and you can now charge something with micro USB. And if you go all the way around like this, then you will charge the box. The box is nice. It has this safety, that's good. And what we here we have, as you can see, 3 type of pins, 3 pins on each side. And let's close this. Okay, now we have to put a little effort to close this. Okay, so now we don't have anything to show you. We don't have some button to power it on, So I'm now going to take a USB charger to see that they are working. Wait a minute. So they have automatic start. If you now connect it to the charger, the displays show how much energy you have. So you have to put it like this. Okay, let's see the earbuds. They're nice. They're nice and big. So here you click it. It has touch here, but that's okay. We have one. We have another. Oh yeah. So good thing about this headphones are they have the charging state. So when you put it in like this, so you have to be careful. This is left. Now we are charging 68, and here you have left. That's really nice. And if you go to right, 68. Now it's charging. That's very well. The box is 67%. So that's very nice. So now you can see how much battery you have on each of them. Very nice. And if you close it, you have nice seeing, and they are they are protected. So as you can see, they are charging. So that's very nice. So now, for the first time, what I do, I don't know, you don't have to do it like me. Now I'm gonna connect them to the phone. As you can see now, they are blinking blue and red, so that means that they are in pairing mode. So now you take your mobile phone and just connect to the phone, and that's it. So now I'm gonna use them, and then I'm gonna be back to show you the results, how good they are. So I'll be back soon. Hi to all, ZHT Dark here. So I am back. I've used these headsets for 4 times, and here, as you can see, I wrote the data that I get from R7S TWS headsets. So if you watch here and you can see the playtime, I've got around 2 hours and 40 minutes of playtime. So that's on 60% of volume. That's if you're using the 60% on 3 hours play. So that is the limit. Maybe you can go higher, but I don't know. I don't recommend it because the sound is excellent. Charging time, you can expect around 40 minutes. So that's very fast. Low battery time, so that means when your headsets goes alarm and it says low battery, that means that you have 2 minutes, then they will shut off. The charging box, I only did 86% and I got 4 charges. So maybe if you charge them at 100%, you can maybe get 5 times of fully charged. So this is in my case. So the battery in case is 200 milliamp hours. So that means that on 5 volts you can get around 1300. So that's around 25, maybe 30% of the battery if you're charging your phone, depending on your battery size. So the sound quality, like I said, is excellent. For this price range, they are brutal. The bass is the best is the best. I think in top 10 in price range to, let's say, I don't know, like $60, they are in top 10, maybe top 5, because the bass is super clear, the sound is super clear. And if you use them on the maximum volume, I don't know, I'll only last for like 10 minutes and then my ear starts to then I feel the pain. So maximum volume I don't recommend, but the bass at maximum volume is very clear and the sound is clear, so they are the best that I've reviewed, and they are the best. So the size is good, and I have smaller ears and they fit very nice, and I can wear them for 3 hours and I don't feel pain, so that's very nice. And like I said, the bass is superb. So if you're looking for your new headsets, I definitely recommend these R7Ss. So to pair them, to turn them on, you simply push it for like 3 seconds and they are on. Then you go to your, I don't know if you have watch or if you have they are connected. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple. So this is, I don't know if you can hear it. Now it's like 50%. And now let's go to maximum volume. And this is the maximum volume. They are very loud. The sound is crystal. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't know on what side is the mic. I think on this side. But that's it. So they are brutal. If you want, I definitely recommend it for you to buy. If you like this review, please put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next review. TWS Dark out. See you in my next video. Bye.